morning, you guys. At least it is good morning for me, and welcome to the vlog. If you are new here, my name is Tracy, and as you guys can see, my morning routine, honey. Definitely bothered with puffy, dark circles under my eyes, and then once I started getting older, I started just putting little creams and using under eye pads sometime, and whether or not they help or not, who really knows? But yeah. So I'm gonna let these sit for like 20 minutes. That like finishes all my skincare. Tree Hut Lip Butter. I bought this wig probably like, I probably had it sitting for 2 weeks. And then last night, I said, let me open this package and put this on. What is this? It's tissue. So I put it on last night. I may pluck it a little, but I don't really do all that to my hair, y'all. I don't do all that like I used to. I used to make wigs. I thought about making a wig. Actually, I was thinking about making a wig like a few days ago, but I was like, I don't feel like it because I've just done it so much. But one of these days, y'all may see me make a wig if I just feel like it. It's not hard at all, especially quick weave. Quick weave, super easy, because that's simply stocking cap and just gluing on the freaking tracks. Super, super easy, but it's pretty much just ready to put on and go. I might trim a little of it right here at the bottom, but besides that, this is pretty much throw it on and go, which is my type of thing at this stage of my life, honey. Let's just throw it on and go. I think it looks cute without doing too much. Flat iron up here, put my little balm stick on, lay down the frizzies. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So now, throw something on and then I'll pick y'all right back up. Okay, y'all, I am refreshed. Nothing like that morning shower. Now, y'all know I gotta light my candle. I think I showed y'all this candle, and I have not moved it since the last vlog. The salted butterscotch. Stop popping now. I feel low. So I threw on some to have on in the house, and today is Thursday. It's Thursday, August the 10th, and I don't have really anything planned for today. But what I do want to do, y'all, now y'all see me drink a lot of coffee, but I do drink tea. I just tend to drink tea at night. Most of the time when I vlog, I'm vlogging during the day. What I do want to do today is go look for a teapot. Y'all, I don't know. For the last like 2 weeks, I've been like, I want me a little teapot for when I'm boiling my water and get ready to drink my tea. So I've always thought teapots were like just the cutest thing, and then you hear the little whistle when the water boils. So I want to go to TJ Maxx and look for a teapot at some point today. So yeah. So that's the only thing that I may do today outside of the house. Inside the house, I got some clothes over there that's looking at me right now that I need to fold, and I probably got some things downstairs I need to do. But besides that, this is a day where 99% I will be in the house. Probably edit some, of course. The other day, they were 3 for $12, the hand sprays, and I love these. They're in my car, one on my nightstand, one on my desk. So I love these. So I went and got the warm vanilla sugar, strawberry pound cake, and I think I got 2 strawberry pound cakes, because if y'all been with me, y'all know strawberry pound cake is bae. So yeah, I went and got 3 for $12. And then yesterday, Trin, she walked down to the mailbox because she was waiting on a package, and she bought a lot of scrunchies apparently. And she came in here and told me that I could pick 2 sets. And so course, I picked purple, my favorite color, and this is like a grayish blue. So I just picked these. So now I took these off. I'm gonna throw these away. So come on, y'all. We're about to go downstairs and make coffee. Let's make some coffee. Man, left that air fryer out. I hate appliances on the countertop. So I'm gonna put that up right quick and we're gonna make some coffee. Which one do I want? So I got my water and my coffee. I always put water in my mouth first before I drink anything that day. Anything. So I already sipped on this. Sip on a little more. In my pretty little Starbucks cup. I love my cup. And then drink my coffee. And I think I'm going to edit for a little while. And I got my apple chips. Y'all, this is basically most of the time my breakfast. I think I've told y'all that 1,000 times, but this is it. But I am going to start back. I was looking in the pantry yesterday because I had a taste for oatmeal because I actually really like oatmeal. I love strawberries and cream oatmeal. Blueberry oatmeal and slice some bananas in my oatmeal. And I'm going to get some bananas when I go to the store so I can start back eating oatmeal. Sometimes when I do wake up hungry, which is not a lot, but sometimes I do wake up hungry, and then I got to start back doing my avocado toast. I like very light things in the morning if I'm going to eat some, but typically I don't even eat until 11 o'clock. My window is still trying to stay between 11 and 7, and pretty good at it, And then that's pretty much it, y'all. So anyway, honey, let me get my handy dandy glasses, and I need to go get some more glasses. Now that's what I need to do. Set up an appointment. Well, I ain't really have to set up an appointment. I can just walk in to get more glasses. And I love these little lens wipes. I get the ones from Walmart. Typically it's 500 in a box, and then sometimes I get the 100. And I'll see y'all when I pick y'all back up. Okay, y'all, I am back. It's been like 3.5 hours later since y'all last saw me doing the skincare. Now, I just folded my clothes a few minutes ago, actually, and I just put the camera over here. But yeah, so when y'all last saw me, I did not have on makeup, but Miss Trinity came home. Y'all know she's dual enrollment, so there's no coming home at 3 or 4 o'clock in the evening. She is home. She gets out at 11:30 every day. And since college hasn't started yet, she won't be going there until like the end of August when they start. So right now she's just going in and getting done at 11:30. So she had the big idea of wanting to take some pictures. Sometimes she likes mommy and daughter pics for her social media, Snapchat, whatever. I was supposed to be editing actually when she came in, so now I actually have to start editing. I want some oxtails again. I really do. So I think I'm gonna get some oxtails today. And besides that, I'll probably go downstairs and clean off my dining room table and do a few other little things that I gotta do down there. But besides that, the house is basically clean. So yeah, so right now it is 2:36. Yep, about 3.5 hours ago. I'm gonna sit here and edit a little, and then I'm gonna pick y'all back up.
This ain't what you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and
my oxtails have arrived. So I am about to take a break from editing and eat. Gonna go wash my hands right quick. Oxtails, plantains, rice, and peas. Ooh, I smell. Ooh, I wish y'all could smell. Oh, this smells so good. I put on my robe. It is cold in this house. Yeah, I'm finna sit here and enjoy the heck out of these oxtails. Let me know down below if y'all like oxtails or no. Baby. I will eat oxtails religiously, baby. Still drinking on water. Trying to stay on top of my water. After this, I'm either going to go downstairs. Yes.
Hey, cutie pie.
You called to say, hey, cutie pie.
Yeah, I just called to say, hey, cutie pie.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Been down bad the last couple of days.
Wait till I see you. Wait till I see you. Just told me when you sick, you ugly. Fuck.
I'll talk to you in a second.
What is going on, you guys? It is the next day. I think I last saw y'all when I was getting ready to eat my oxtails. I did not pick that camera back up, baby. Them oxtails put me down. You understand me? So yeah, so pretty much today just been chilling, editing. Yesterday I told y'all that I was going to look for a teapot. Of course, I didn't end up going anywhere. So now I'm headed down the street, see if I can find me a cute little teapot. Wanted something different. What you asked, I wouldn't give it. Tell you the truth, I never been jealous. Ooh, I like this big bag. If it didn't have the MK all over it, I would get that. Love that size. I like that. It's cute. This is real nice. How much are these? $69.99. Ooh, I like those. $129.99. I like those. I got so much gray in my house right now though. Wouldn't even make sense. I was supposed to be looking for a teapot, honey. That would be cute. Go by the front door. Or the shoes. But they look dirty. I see some tea kettles. Yeah, some more. I want to make sure that they didn't have any more colors. So here's one. This is cute. It's Whistle While You Work. And this one is Kate Spade also. So I'm gonna get this one. I like this one. I like that color. That's pretty. Yay, I got my tea kettle. Now, I should just leave out, but that would not be Tracy if I just leave up out of here. No, ma'am. So let me look around. Let me see if they have any sheets that I want. Let's see. King. They have a lot of containers. A lot. Those are cute. Let's see what's over here. This is the simple outfit for today. Jeans, shorts, tank top, and my little cheetah print slides. Outfit of the day. Can't get no simpler than this. I am walking out. Y'all know I couldn't leave out of there without something else besides a freaking teapot. Sanitizer first, of course. And I didn't put the bags in the trunk. I was like, you know what? Let me just put them up here. And y'all look! Isn't she cute? Like, that color is so pretty. I love this. I love this. And then I picked up a, y'all know I love Rachel Zoe. So I saw this, and this is just so cute. Fall is about to be here. I don't know if y'all can pick up on the texture of it, but it's perfect. Warm, cozy, and Rachel Zoe. And it was only $16.99. If y'all been with me, y'all know I love my mugs. I love my mugs. Now I have downsized since we got in this house, but this one, can y'all pick up that color? I don't have a mug like this. Have not had a mug like this, and perfect for the fall. So yeah, I picked this up only $4.99. On to the next. On to the next thing. Y'all, I'm going to head over here and get me a refresher right quick. I like to get one grande mango dragon fruit lemonade refresher. You got it. And that will be it. All right. This is how I wish the line would be in the morning time. How are you? All right. How about you? Not too bad. All right. You shaking that up for you? All right. Thank you. Thank you. So good. Let me take my baby to get washed. All right, y'all. Just enjoying my dragon fruit lemonade. Getting this bad baby washed. Are the colors illuminating off of me, y'all? Got my jam system. I'm drowning. Wrist so icy, wonder why she like me. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show. I'm surrounded. Projects to making projects, and they tried to stop us. In the fountain, everywhere. Up on my schedule for 3. See, all you needed was me. So come and get you some I gotta go see if they have some of this look cream I want. I don't think they have the one I want. Okay, y'all, so they did not have the lip cream that I wanted, but I needed some wild growth oil, and I got another eyebrow archer. Oh well, it is what it is. Now I'm about to head on to the house. Sanitizer. I literally just washed the car, y'all, and it's literally raining. But oh well, she's still clean. Diamond is clean, baby. Diamond is clean. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. I see you. Tired of the hurt, tired of the pain, tired of the nights where you can't get no sleep. See, you're tired of being so tired. Somebody who can make it better. I wanted my mom and my dad to be together so bad. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so much sure I got me a therapist to tell me there's other men. I need your attention. Squeeze it too tight, boy, you're losing me. Learn how to face it, she's gone. Gone, girl. Never replace it, she's gone. Can't think it's too hard to process. I decide with demons I digest. Tired of anticipating the worst, yeah. I need more space and security. I need your touch, not just real to me. I love you some hidden. I'm coming, y'all. What's going on, you guys? It is the next day. It is Saturday, and y'all, it is 1:30 in the afternoon. And y'all, I went to bed feeling just fine and woke up to stuffy, congested, head cold, everything. So I just been laying in that bed like, really? Okay. So finally dragged myself out of that bed, showered, did skincare. So right now, of course, my nose is a little better. I know y'all can probably hear it, but yeah, I'm like, what is going on? But anyway, so yeah, so I've been finished with that about 10 minutes, and now I'm just like, okay, I'm going to try to be a little productive, not just lay in the bed. I feel like just laying in bed, y'all. That is it. That is all. I made me some warm tea. Just put it in my Starbucks cup. And I'm going to drink on this tea. And yeah, but your girl feels like crap. You understand me? Crap. Like what? But anyway, it is what it is, hopefully. It's just a little cold. But yeah, so today, pretty much I'm going to be editing, and I don't think I'm going anywhere now. I had planned on going out, but so no, but just no. But yeah, so yesterday, y'all know I went to TJ Maxx, found my little cute little tea kettle. So I found that, and also I think I just came in here. I think I just dropped that bag because I bought that sweater also. And this sweater is so freaking soft. Like, y'all, let me know who else is ready for the fall. But this is cute. I have not even tried it on yet. Let me just slip it on right quick. I'm just like, man, you just never know. You just never freaking know. But this is super cute. I'm ready now, honey. I'm ready to get some more fall stuff. Knew that was gonna happen. Take these off. These are ready to come off anyway. So soft. Well, I forgot I ain't got on no bottom. This is soft. Y'all, this is soft. Oh, I wish y'all could feel this. This is soft. Oh yeah, I like this. This is cute. So cannot wait to wear it, but it's so soft. Like soft. So I'm gonna wash it, of course, and then hang it up. It'll be waiting. Throw that over there. This is my morning. Hope y'all morning going better than mine. For real. Can't have everybody down at the same time. I couldn't find my belt to this robe, which looks like this. So I just grabbed my belt off of my solid black robe and tied around here. I was like, I ain't got time. How you take a robe off, hang it up, and the belt is just missing. No ma'am, not today. Not today. Probably definitely gonna stay in today. It is a heat advisory anyway till like 8. So it's hot out there anyway. And then y'all, this right here, this is some Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I got this probably about 6 or 7 days ago, y'all. If y'all are into matte and y'all want like a neutral tone, I like darker lipsticks anyway. So when I saw this, it just kept popping up when I was on Facebook. It just kept popping up every day. And then I was like, you know what, let me go and try this. And it's by this brand, and I think it's pronounced, Sawa. I bought this color, and it is Cartoon. Let me show y'all that, if the camera picks it up. And when Trinity saw it, she was like, this is pretty. Just stay over here and show y'all. This, hopefully, let me block the sun. Maybe y'all can see it better. Or also, let me get it this way. But it's very pigmented. Let me just put it, I don't want on my lips right now. But it is very, love it. Look at that. And it's so soft. It's so soft. And I just love how it looks on my lips. Yes. So, love that. I probably will order some more because I ordered it and it came fast. So this is very, very nice. And once again, it's by Sawa. Pretty much, your girl is down today. That's pretty much it for today, y'all, because I don't think I'm probably going to pick this camera up. I think I'm going to just try to drink a lot of fluids today, keep my body hydrated, edit in the bed, literally edit in the bed, and just kind of relax and chill out. And hopefully this will just go on get better. But I definitely just want to pick y'all up, say hey to y'all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow if I don't pick y'all back up today. So it is the next morning. And y'all know yesterday I told y'all I woke up with a cold. So man just got back from the grocery store. He just went to pick up a few things. So I'm just show y'all what he got right quick. Got some red delicious apples, some pasta sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, 2 strawberry banana chavanis for a trend, some Montreal steak seasoning, Simply orange juice, Minute Maid mango punch, Milo sweet tea and lemonade. We got 3 of these Chobani flips, salted caramel crunch, key lime crumble, which is one of my faves. And I have not tried the perfect peach cobbler, so I'm gonna try that. Box of mashed potatoes, spaghetti, Hungry Man Salisbury steak, jumbo coconut shrimp, love that, toaster strudel, Texas toast, bananas, lemons, cherry plums, y'all. If y'all have not tried cherry plums, you don't know what you're missing. Try them. Cantaloupe chunks, pineapple chunks, 2 packs of ground beef, pack of beef smoked sausage, country style ribs, 5 meat pizza, and a 3 meat pizza, and paper towel back here, Viva paper towel, and he did get some water. Probably took it out the car yet. So that's it. Just want to show y'all that right quick. groceries are put away. Made me a bowl of blueberry oatmeal and sliced a half of a banana and put it in there. Today I do feel a little better than I did yesterday when I woke up. So that's good. Progress. Pretty much today, I'm gonna finish editing this video that y'all watching. I know I brought a paper towel up here. I gotta see what I haven't checked in a while to see whether or not Victoria's Secrets has some cute robes. Y'all, I love my robes. If y'all been with me, y'all know I love my robes. I have a whole little section in the closet for my robes. I just want to show my face. Sick or not sick. What time is it now? It's 10:22. I thought I had some honey. I do like to use honey also. I'm gonna sit here and eat this. And just relax, and then I'll pick y'all back up. Okay, y'all, got me some cherry plums out of the refrigerator, and I am about to enjoy. Y'all, I am back. It is a few hours later, and I'm done editing all of the rest of the video. And the only clip that I'm going to have to edit is this clip. I want to get it out by 6 or 7 today. When y'all saw me earlier, I looked like a four-wheeler had ran me over and just left me to die. I feel a little better, still taking it easy, drinking a lot of water, staying hydrated. But now I'm about to enjoy these cherry plums that I showed y'all. These are so good. If you have not tried them and you tried them, these gonna change your life. You're gonna thank me. You're gonna thank me and wonder, what the heck? Where have you been? So good. If you like plums, you're gonna love these. So try them. Here, where we are now in Georgia, the Food Lion have them. And back home in Alabama, Publix has them. So if y'all got a Publix, Food Lion, go find you some cherry plums and thank me later. You're welcome. They're just so good. Well, anyway, I just wanted to come on since I said I was gonna pick y'all back up and show my face. And yeah, in this vlog. So hopefully y'all enjoyed spending a few days with me, even though I ended up getting sick. It's all a part of sharing with y'all. It is what it is. Hopefully tomorrow I wake up feeling even better and just keep it going. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that like button. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Would love to have you as a part of my YouTube fam, and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you won't miss out on any new uploads. And I will see you guys on the next vlog. Get you something, change your life.